Have you ever wished you could get a do-over on high school? I mean, not as a teenager, but as the adult you are right now with everything you've learned along the way. Well, what if I told you a place like that actually exists? Today, we're taking a look at the Mers Goodwill Excel Center. It's a high school, but it's designed from the ground up for adults who are ready for a brand new start.
So here's the game plan. First, we'll dig into what makes this path so different. Then, we're going to talk about the incredible support team they build around you. After that, we'll map out the actual journey to graduation, talk about the keys to making it work, and wrap up by looking at what life is like once you have that diploma in your hand.
All right, let's jump right into our first section, a new path forward. We're going to get straight to the point and answer the biggest question right off the bat. What exactly are you earning here?
I really want to start with this quote because it perfectly captures the spirit of the whole program. The school is free, yeah, but it's not just a handout. It's a partnership. Your investment, it's your time, your commitment, that's what you're putting on the line for your own future.
And this, right here, is the absolute key takeaway. The Excel Center does not give you a GED. You walk away with a fully accredited Missouri high school diploma. It's the real deal. It holds the exact same weight with colleges, employers, and trade schools as a diploma from any other high school in the state. No question.
And you can see right here how it's built to actually fit into an adult's life. You got to be 21 or over. Classes are only Monday through Thursday. The year's broken up into these 5 manageable 8-week terms, and with both day and evening classes, it's pretty clear they designed this to work around your job and your family.
Now that flexibility is fantastic, but it's only one piece of the puzzle. Let's move on to Section 2, your support team. This, to me, is where the Excel Center is a total game changer, because they've thought about every single roadblock that usually stops adults from going back to school, and they just remove them.
First and foremost, let's talk about money. There is no tuition. The program is 100% free. Cost is simply not an issue here, period.
And for any parents watching, this one is just huge. Childcare is probably the biggest hurdle for so many people. Well, the Excel Center takes it right off the table. They provide free on-site childcare while you are in class. You can actually focus, knowing your kids are safe and sound right nearby.
They didn't stop there either. They even thought about the simple act of getting to school. If you need help with transportation and you qualify, they've got assistance for that too. They are literally doing everything they can to make sure you can just show up.
But the support goes way beyond just the practical stuff. Every single student gets a personal life coach. And this is not just an academic advisor. It's something much, much more.
So, what does a life coach actually do? Think of them as your personal champion, your advocate. These are professionals who are there to help you tackle the very things that might have made school tough the first time around. They're checking in, keeping you motivated, and helping you figure out any challenge, personal or academic, that pops up along the way.
Okay, so now that we know about this amazing support system, let's actually look at the academic journey itself. This is Section 3, a step-by-step look at your path to that diploma.
And here's what that path looks like. It starts with enrollment, of course, but notice how quickly the focus shifts to career planning. The whole point is about what comes after graduation. You can even earn industry certifications or college credits while you're still a student. It all builds toward graduation and then, most importantly, to your success out in the world.
So what does it take to get across that stage? It's the standard 24 credits just like any other high school in Missouri. You can see the breakdown here. It makes the goal feel really concrete, really achievable. And don't forget, they'll look at your old transcripts and give you credit for every class they can, so you might already be part of the way there.
All right, on to Section 4, keys to your success. We've talked a lot about the school's commitment to you. Now let's talk about your commitment. These aren't just rules. Think of them as the tools that are going to help you get to the finish line.
And honestly, it really just boils down to this. You have to show up. This is a real school with real teachers in a real classroom. Being there, being present, that's how you learn. And it's truly the #1 key to success here.
And they are very upfront about the attendance policy. The number to remember is 8. In one of those 8-week terms, you cannot miss a class more than 8 times. If you do, you lose credit for that course. It's a firm expectation, but it's fair, and it treats you like the adult you are. Of course, the immediate question is, what if life happens? We all know it does. Your kid gets sick, your car breaks down, you get called into work. What then?
And this is where that adult-to-adult approach really shows. You have options. You can appeal straight to the school director. The trick is, you have to do it fast,
within 2 school days. Better yet, if you know something's coming up, talk to them before you even hit the limit. The message here is simple and powerful. Just communicate with them. They will work with you.
And that leads us right into our final section, life after the diploma. Because getting that piece of paper, that's not the end of the road, no way. It's the launch pad for everything that happens next.
And this isn't just a nice idea. It's a proven reality for so many people. Look at this number, 152. That's how many students have graduated from just one of their campuses, the one in Poplar Bluff, since 2018. That's 152 lives that have been changed forever.
And this table tells you how the organization itself measures success. It's not just about graduation rates. They track if students are getting industry certifications, if they're going on to college, and check out that last one, a 20% increase in wages. That's not just a statistic. That's a real, tangible, life-changing improvement. We'll end on this quote because it just says it all. The diploma is the key. It's what unlocks the door to a new career, to higher education, to the future that you want to build for yourself.
So, you've invested your time to see what this is all about. You've seen the path, you've seen the support, you've seen the results. I guess the only question left, and it's the most important one, is what will your new beginning look like?